to some hard liquor, some vodka that'll jumpstart. When I get shocked at the hospital, you waited long to stop debating, cause I'm back, I'm on the rag and ovulating. I know that you got a job, Miss Cheney, but your husband caused problems complicating. This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me, so
nothing you can do but dance.
This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me.